Hey team, how are you? Happy Friday. I want to get this information out to you. Going into the weekend, the big news this week was the Fed is now a 70% chance to cut in December. Significantly different than it was just yesterday. A lot of Fed speakers coming out and saying they're changing their tune in regard to obviously weakening labor market, less concern on inflation. The labor market is a bigger issue right now, which bringing short-term rates down on the Fed side would be important. So keep in mind, as these lower rates continue to come out on the short-term rates, that's going to help long-term rates, is going to bring out more buyers. Success story, we just had a deal with Chase Costello and Roy Taus as the listing agent. We were able to beat out another offer just based on a 12-day close on a jumbo. And in fact, we were actually ready to close a couple days early, but Escrow didn't even have their HOA demand back yet. So keep in mind, obviously, being able to move quickly, give confidence to sellers and listing agents is super important in this market. And buyers are getting deals right now. I think December is the best month to buy a home. We'll be working through the holidays, so obviously keep your clients engaged. I really believe that as the calendar turns into January, it's going to be a different market. So obviously we'll have an October, a November, and more than likely now a December Fed rate cut that will start to really move the market. Any small bit of inventory we have will be absorbed very quickly. There won't be any new listings, as you know, till late February, early March. So this bit of inventory that we have now will not last. So keep your buyers diligent. Let us know how we can help. We can obviously show many different reports to tell your buyers the story. I do have a 35-minute first-time homebuyer webinar that also just shows buyers the power of real estate. Don't forget, we have our home buyer open house toolkit that has rates for the weekend for all the different products. So take a look at that and then let us know if we can help you this weekend. Thanks so much.